going to show you here. My name is Sergio, and I'm with Live Good for almost a year now, and I will show you how to become a retail customer with buying Live Good products. So let's see, for example, I will use my own website. So I send the website to someone. Okay. So I will send him, for example, in this case, I'm going to send him, let's see here, it's a lady here that she asked me about the link product. So I'm going to, so what I do, first of all, you see here, it say, welcome to Ariel Bettencourt website. So what you do here, you send this link to this person. So she received that link, and then she will say, oh, okay, member price, retail price. Now, you notice that here is how to become a member. So, but this lady, she doesn't want to become a member. She would like to be a customer. So, to be able, she can be a customer, but getting the same price that associate got. So, then let me show you something first. You see what it says here, 7 review. So what you do here, you click here, reviews, and there you have all this review from this link product. Now, what I do myself, you see what it say, product review. So you do copy here, okay, and then you go back again, amount, okay, and then you enter here, you do paste. Okay, so what is going to happen now here, that when you send this link to this person, the first thing she's going to do will be the review. And I found personally that's the best way to introduce people to our Live Good products is by sending them directly to the reviews. So, and then also the other advantages, like for example here, you see there is a lot of good reviews here from Lean, and you see this lady here, 3 days lost 2.8 pounds, and they read that one and say, oh, this sounds interesting. Another thing here too is that you can also, they will see the difference on this, I mean, they compare the products with other one. And then they have also here, you see dairy free and allergen free, registered with FDA, everything is there. Now the lady said, okay, now I want to buy. So member price $19.95, retail price $27.95. So there is a little bit of a difference. So where I'm going to, the lady, no, I don't want to become a member. Okay, so perfect then. So then, now, when you say here to become a member mean an associate, you have to pay $40 once, and then $9.95 a month. But she said, no, I don't want to become a member. I just want to buy the product at the best price you can give me. Okay, so then what you do, I'm showing you how to do it. You add to cart here. Now, over here in this cart, we don't, that one we don't want it. So we click, oh, okay, now. So here you have a choice. The membership costs you $9.95, and then you will be paying $19.95. Yeah, but I don't want to pay $9.95. Okay, so you don't want to do that. Okay, so you do here checkout. Okay, and then appears again the monthly membership, and she said no, I don't want to be paying $9.95 a month. Okay, so you click here, and now you will pay $27.95. Oh, oh, okay. Well, I think I will do that. I will be a customer only buying the product. I don't want to be nothing to do with being a member. I'm a member, but I'm a retail member. Okay, so now you are already a member. You log in here. You are not. So would you like to say, as you here, would you like to say $8 today by becoming a member? You say yes. Okay, so I click yes. Here you are again. Okay, so now what that means that you will be paying $19.95 for this product, and then you will pay $9.95 as a member. It's called monthly membership, and then you will have every month you will have $9.95, and then you can order any product you want to from anytime you want to. You can order products at a much better price. So, and then you do checkout, and there you have it. And then so now you click where it say checkout, and there you have it. You complete your order, you enter your first name, you complete everything here. Everything is there, and now you can see here we say United States, and you can do anything. Let's see, you are in Anguilla or Anguilla. So there you are. So I'm here in Canada. So I'm just going to click here, Canada. Canada here. There we are. Okay, Canada. So you enter information, and that's it. And then you click enter your zip code, and this is what you're going to be paying. Now, retail price. Okay, now over here is not including the shipping. The shipping is extra. Okay, so that's the way how you become a retail, basically a wholesale customer. That's what it is. A wholesale customer on a monthly membership. Okay, so that's what that is this video I was showing you about it. Okay, so thank you very